This is the septic tanks. The septic tank is not the big one, it's just a small one that using for a supermarket. And this is the soil pipe from the toilets. So in this part, in this tank, when it full, it becomes to the other tank. And this piping, it is the drainage system. It comes from the open chiller system in the market, the refrigerator, and this pipe, it is the wash pipings. So when the tank for the wash piping are full, it will flow out to the cities, to the city drains.
Benar rồi. Còn tra một cái phần này.
Hello everyone, this is the septic tank. For the piping of the septic tank, the big one are the soil pipes. It comes from the toilets, and this pipe, it is the drainage. The floor drain is from the other service like chiller, open chiller system, and air conditioner. And the other one is the wash pipe. It is from the floor drain and the washing hand. So the floor drain and the washing pipe are come together into this tank. And the small one, yes, this one, it is the air vent, the vent piping for the septic tank. We will connect it to that place, and its location will be the top of this building. So when the soil pipe, this is the soil tank. When it's full, it will go to that tank. It will go to this tank. Yes, it will come to here. So when that tank are full, it will go to this tank, and it also can go to this tank if the floor drain, the drain water are full. And we have 3 clean out. We will install the 3 clean out for this one, and this one. We install all clean out for all the tank. And you can use the U-trap, here, and the soil pipe also need to use the U-trap to protect the bad smell from this tank.